Welcome to jzgraphics. In this video, I will teach you how to create Eid Mubarak poster design in Adobe Photoshop. So, let's get it started. First, create a new file with these dimensions. Go to the File menu, Place Embedded, select your image, and place. Go to the Object Selection tool, and make a rough selection of mosque. I need some manual selection by using lasso tool. Then add a layer mask to it. Set its size and placement. Select background layer. Go to the ellipse tool, and create a circle shape. Set its stroke to none. Open Layer panel, and create a gradient adjustment layer. Follow my gradient settings. Right-click and choose Create Clipping Mask. Go to the Type tool, and type your text. I am using Steelfish bold font. Set its kerning and size. Follow my text settings. Go to the File menu, and place the Eid text design. Link of this text is mentioned in the description. Add the drop shadow to it with these settings. Place the clouds PNGs. Select text layer. Press Ctrl+J to make a copy of it. Delete its drop shadow. And bring it at the bottom. Maximize its size. And decrease its opacity to 4%. Select Brush tool, and apply like this. Create any color adjustment layer. And change its blend mode to hue. And you can apply any color to the design. And it's done. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comments section. Subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon for more updates.